This video shows you stop YouTube from saving every video you watch by pausing your watch history. This helps improve your privacy and prevents YouTube from using your viewing activity to personalize recommendations based on what you've watched. First of all, open the YouTube app on your phone or tablet and make sure you're signed into the Google account you want to manage. Once the app is open, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Depending on your version of the app, it may display your profile picture or the You tab. Next, tap the settings icon, which looks like a small gear in the top right corner. This opens the main settings menu where you can manage different aspects of your YouTube account. Scroll down until you find Manage All History, then tap on it. You may be asked to verify your identity with your password, fingerprint, or device security before continuing. This extra step helps protect your account and ensures only you can change your history settings. On the history page, tap Saving Your YouTube History. Here you'll see options that control whether YouTube records the videos you watch and the searches you make. Tap Turn Off to begin disabling watch history. A confirmation message will appear explaining what happens when history is paused. Review the information, then tap Pause at the bottom to confirm your choice. Once enabled, YouTube will stop saving new videos you watch to your account history. Keep in mind that this only affects future activity. Your previously saved watch history will remain unless you choose to delete it separately. Pausing watch history can also make your recommendations less personalized over time since YouTube will no longer use your recent viewing activity. Nice work! You've successfully updated your YouTube history settings. Thanks for watching, and don't miss our next tutorial by subscribing to the channel.